Dear students, welcome back our today's online class. We are discussing about scene comprehension. Today we will discuss about another topics. So let's start. Today's topic, that is Unit 1, People or Institution Making History. Lesson 2, The Unforgettable Story. This topic already, one part already been discussed in the previous class. Today I will discuss the next part. Today's part is related with the previous part. In the last class, we discussed about the speech of Mahmud that was delivered on 7th March in 1971. Today, I will discuss another part on that topics. Here we are seeing Mr. Bhutto came here. That means Mr. Bhutto, the then president of Pakistan, he came here. He carried out discussions with us. He had said that the doors of negotiations had not been shut and that there would be further negotiations. That means coming the ruling position, Mr. Bhutto make a cessation of negotiation. He said that we will carry out our discussion and our door is not closed, it is open all time. That there would be further negotiation. That means he encouraged the then leaders that they will make discussion for making a better decision. I then had talks with other leaders. I said to them, come and sit down with us. Let's create a constitution for ourselves through discussions. That means here, Bangabandhu said that he not only discussed with Mr. Bhutto, but also discussed with other recognized leaders within Pakistan for betterment. Then he also encouraged them, also offered them that so let's we sit together and make a constitution for ourselves through discussions. But Mr. Bhutto declared that if West Pakistani members came here, the assembly would end up as a slaughterhouse. We see that first time he making everyone's aware that they will ready to discussion or negotiation, but after few days or few months, few years, Mr. Bhutto declared that if West Pakistani members came here, the assembly would end up as a slaughterhouse. That means he gave a threat that he opposed the others parliament member not to assign the assembly. He throw a word like it will be a slaughterhouse. That means Kwasaigana. No one will join the assembly. If anyone come, it will be a slaughterhouse. That means at one point we see that Mr. Bhutto did not agree to make the negotiation or discussion. He claimed that whoever came here would be slaughtered. He claimed that whoever came here would be slaughtered. তিনি বললেন যে যেই আসবে তাকে কি করা হবে, জবাই করে দেওয়া হবে. He said that if anyone showed up here, all shops from Peshawar to Karachi would be shut down. That means if any leaders, any person try to oppose his decision, then he will shut down. That means বন্ধ করে দেবে, সমস্ত দোকানপাট এবং সমস্ত কিছু বন্ধ করে দেওয়া হবে, হুমকি দিচ্ছে. I declared that the assembly would continue to meet, but suddenly on the 1st of March the assembly was shut down. Mr. Yahya Khan called the session of the assembly in his capacity as the president, and I declared I would be attending it. I declared, I ঘোষণা করলাম, or proclaimed that the assembly would continue to meet. The assembly চলবে, আমরা মিট করব, মিট করার জন্য assembly চলা দরকার, এটা আমি বললাম. But suddenly on the 1st of the March assembly was shut down. We see that the 1st of the March মাসের প্রথম দিকে assembly বন্ধ করে দেওয়া হয়. Mr. Yahya Khan called the session of the assembly in his capacity as the president. President হিসেবে পরে আবার Yahya Khan assembly call করলেন, and I declared that I would be attending it. এবং আমি বললাম যে আমি এতে অ্যাটেন্ড করব, যোগদান করব. Mr. Bhutto said he would not be part of it. Mr. Bhutto বললেন যে তিনি কি করবেন না, এখানে যোগদান করবেন না. 35 members of the assembly came from West Pakistan to take part in its proceedings. It was seen that 35 members of the assembly 35 জন মেম্বার বা সদস্য পূর্ব পাকিস্তানের, পশ্চিম পাকিস্তানের take part in the proceedings. That means proceedings action, এই কাজে তারা যোগদান করার জন্য এসেছিল. But it was dissolved all of a sudden. হঠাৎ কি হলো, এটা dissolved হয়ে গেল, destroyed হয়ে গেল, vanish হয়ে গেল. They could not continue the proceedings for somewhat position occurred then that could not take proper guideline of making the decision or discussion. The blame was put on the people of Bengal. The finger was pointed at me. That means here we see all the blame came upon our leader Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The finger was pointed at me. That means সমস্ত দোষ, সমস্ত যত অজুহাত সব আমার উপর কি চাপে দেওয়া হয়. What we see that the fault was done by Mr. Bhutto, fault was made by Mr. Yahya Khan, but the result was came upon Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. That was the fault of the Pakistani leader. That was the topics, and from here we will get question. Already I told you that you will get 3 types of question. Number 1, you will get question true or false. Here you have to give correct information. Not only you are told to give the answer true or false. If you get any sentence false, then you have to make it correct. Number 2, you will get multiple choice. That means here you will get 5 questions that's containing 5 marks, and you will get option. You will get 4 options, and the chosen types of question will be given in your answer script. Number 3, you will get WS question. you will get WH question. In WH question, you have to answer not yes or no. You will not limited in answering the yes or no. If you get any question here, you have to answer totally. You will not confine in answering in yes and no. We know that WH question is a type of question where we cannot answer in yes or no. Number 4, summary or summarize. Number 4, summary and summarize. That means you have to summarize the total scene comprehension in a 5 sentence. In simple 5 sentence, you have to give the total summary of the comprehension. Okay, I think that you are well known these topics because in your previous classes 8, 9, 10 you are already faced or known to these topics. It will be very easy for you. Though here those topics I am giving an example of this. What type of question can be sent for WH question to these topics. There are many questions, but I like to give some example that will be helpful for you for practicing at home. Like that, here is the topic. Mr. Bhutto came here, he carried out a discussion with us. He had said that the doors of negotiation have not been shut down. If the question came here, like that, the question can be what was Mr. Bhutto's proposal? Like that, proposal. Okay. Question can be like that. What was Mr. Bhutto's proposal? That means what kind of approximate Bhutto's give them. What is the answer? The answer is that Bhutto said that the door of negotiation had not been shut down or had not been shut. I like to clear that in your answer script, most of the time we quote from the comprehension. We quote from the comprehension. If you quote from the scene comprehension, you will get 0 marks. You will get 0 marks. You should write in yourself only the meaning. You should not, or you will not get the chance quoting from the scene comprehension. You have to write yourself. So, what can be that? The answer can be that like Mr. Bhutto proposed to negotiate with or among themselves. Okay. That means I like to say here that you will not get any chance to write the answer of the WH question from your scene comprehension. You have to write yourself. So from reading the comprehension, we will find out the meaning. It is the function of reading scene comprehension. It is the aim of reading scene comprehension. If you can find out the meaning, then it will be the successful reading scene comprehension. Okay, likely that you will read or practice this first type of others question pattern. Today I have said about the WS question, the next in comprehension, I will try to give you other parts for your better understanding. So I think that it is clear to you how you will approach for the scene comprehension in making WS question. Not only WS question, you have to also learn other topics also here. Just one item I have tried to clear it, how to approach in your exam script. Okay, thank you all.